Welcome back to the asylum. I'm Kane, and I am just one half of the Arkham Inmates, and we are back, baby. Yes, back for another G.C.G.D video. What is up, guys? Another awesome, beautiful Friday. I hope you guys are enjoying your Friday. If you're watching this on the Patreon, then it's a nice, beautiful Thursday for you for the one-day early Patreon members. And also, I am very excited today because we are switching it up. We've been playing a lot of PlayStation 2 games, the old classic games with the buzzing, and now we played Ben 10. We played Ghost Rider last time. I love that fucking game. That was so much fun to play, but the graphics are, and like it's hard to see, and it's hard, like just that old nostalgia game. But we're going to be playing an Xbox 360 game, so there'll be no buzzing. It'll be perfect audio. It'll be better graphics. It'll play smoothly. Hopefully, haven't played this in a long time. But if you read today's title, the G.C.G.D is for Superman Returns, specifically Superman Returns. This is the movie video game. So this is the Brandon Routh Superman Returns video game. This one, I remember playing it. It was so much fun, and I can't think of any other Superman games. They really don't make any Superman games other than like playing Superman in other games, but like a standalone Superman game. This is actually so much fun from what I remember, so it's going to be a blast from the past being able to play it, and I hope it still runs, still plays too. The only thing is I don't think I have any saves on it or anything like that because it's been so long, so we might just start from ground one like we did with Ghost Rider and just play for a little bit. And I wish I could show you some of the big boss fights. I don't know. We'll see if I can, how long it takes me to complete it. But yeah, I don't have any crazy stories about this, but yeah, we'll just talk about it in a second. But let's get right into the GCG, right into the GCGD, dear Lord, for Superman Returns. Shh. Alright, so for Superman Returns, now I just want to talk, this is one of my favorite movies. This movie alone with Brandon Routh, so here's the back, you got Brandon Routh right there, and then you got Metallo and Bizarro and a couple other stuff. The movie, it's honestly, it's definitely top 5 favorite Superman films. I really love Superman Returns. I know a lot of people don't for some reason. A lot of people really don't like Superman Returns, or they think it's like too cheesy or too, but I actually like it. I like the huge thing at the end, the huge like kryptonite island, and Superman has to hold the island up, and he does it anyway even though he's dying. And I love Lois Lane in this. I think James Marsden is, it kind of sucks because he's playing the husband that's basically, getting cheated on, and he's having to raise this kid that he thinks it's his, but it's Superman's kid, and Superman's kid is starting to have like powers and stuff, so I think that's dope. And then the only bad thing about Kevin Spacey's Lex Luthor, but I actually really like Kevin Spacey's Lex Luthor. As much as Kevin Spacey's a piece of shit, so was Luthor, and I think he played a great one. It's definitely, I don't know if it's top 3, but it's definitely top 5. I really love Superman Returns. That one's just great. I just find it fun. I think it's good. And I like Brandon Routh as Clark. I really like his Clark. I really like his Superman. I like the suit. I like the I remember as a kid watching it and seeing the trailer for it before it came out, and seeing the bullet come straight to his eye, and it just crushes at his eye without blinking everything. And then he's just, and it, he just looks, he's like, nice try. Like, I love that. I love when he sets the plane down. I would guess maybe people's gripe with it is that like the CGI is not that good. Like, it's definitely, you can see the CGI part, and maybe Brandon Routh's Superman isn't like people's favorite, but I fuck with it. I like his, I like his acting, his portrayal. Now for the game, I remember playing this a lot with my brother, and I remember us playing it and trying to defeat it, and I don't know if I've ever gotten to the ending of it. I don't know how many saves, I don't know how far I got. I do remember the beginning tutorial is you have to fly up and stop these asteroids from hitting Metropolis. So you have to go up, and then you have to freeze an asteroid and then punch it and then destroy it, and then you have to use your heat vision, and you get a bunch of stuff. So you have heat vision, flight, super speed. You get a bunch of shit. I think they don't make Superman games because it's just kind of too overpowered. It's kind of like Wolverine game. We haven't had a Wolverine game other than the one that's coming out now since X-Men Origins Wolverine, and I think that game did it perfectly to where, like, you can die by just, like, losing all of your health, but, like, it takes a lot for you to lose all your health. Like, you feel pretty invincible at points. Like, you're not really gonna die as much, but it is, like, challenging puzzles and quests, like, getting through the game. So I think with this, I forgot if there's a health bar. I don't even know. I really don't remember this game, but I remember flying around Metropolis and going super speed. I remember that it was fun. I also remember, yeah, the Mr. Misfiddleswick or whatever the fuck his name is. You had his, like, little chase sequences and stuff, but nothing crazy, no crazy stories from it. I remember just having so much fun with this game and never really having another Superman game come out. And I just remember this being fun, a lot of fun. But I don't have anything like crazy stories or with it on that, but I definitely want to go back memory lane. I think we're going to spend most of this time playing the game. I think this will be the one. Like, usually these videos are about 30 to 40 minutes long, 45 at most. I don't think I've ever made one that's an hour long, just because I want to keep it in that 30-45 minute range to where you could watch it. But usually that's because about 10 to 15 minutes is me talking and explaining stories and going on about the game and, like, some memories. But I don't really have a lot to go off for this one. I just remember having so much fun playing it, and then, like, we didn't lose it. This is the original copy, and, like, most of the old classic stories and funny stuff that I have is with a lot of these older games. But, no, this one was just fun. So I think we're just gonna get right into the gameplay. I think we're just gonna get right into it because I don't think I have any saves on this on this Xbox 360 for Superman. So I think it's gonna start us from square one, and I kind of want to get to at least Metallo or at least one of the boss fight, you know, some other stuff, just so I can show you kind of everything in the game. We're definitely not going to get to the end. I wish I could show you the end boss fight. I'm pretty sure I don't have any saves here, so the end boss fight is gonna look, because I'm gonna be in the corner. At some point I'll just show you the end boss fight. I think bam, it'll be behind me, and, like, just the bigger stuff. I'll do some pictures behind me right now, so I'll just move to the side real quick. So bam, you got some pictures, and, you know, got some stuff like that, like, oh, this is what it looks like, this boss fight, this big creatures, big people you can fight, blah blah blah, well, pictures, blah blah blah, you know, you get it. But I think other than that, I think honestly we shouldn't waste any time, and we should just get right into the gameplay for Superman Returns. I really want to just jump back in because I remember this game, but not as much. I don't remember how fun it was. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this gameplay and go down memory lane, get some nostalgia, and, you know, let's get right into Superman Returns. Shh. DC Comics, baby! I don't think we played a DC game yet on the G.C.G.D. Whoa. That was cool. Superman Returns, the video game. You guys remember that? I know I say this all the time, but, like, you remember, like, a movie and then they just put the video game at the end of it? Alright, Superman Returns video game. Press start. Let's get it. Hey! Superman! The graphics are definitely better than Spider-Man Friend or Foe or Ghost.
My son, you do not remember me.
Oh.
I am your Kryptonian. On Earth, you'll have the ability to defy gravity.
Uh-huh. Oh, to launch. Oh, to power launch, hold Y. Okay, now I'm flying. Alright, yep. An old fucking game. Look at these cars. Look at these people. Okay, let's go. Wow. Midtown. No! We must save the city!
Heat vision
Okay.
enables you to strike at a distance. Use it wisely.
Heat vision. Oh. Okay, I switched to heat vision. There we go. Oh, damn. No! Alright.
Superman, this is Professor Hamilton. If you can hear me, we need your help.
We need your help. Alright, let's get to this. Oh, I'm causing more fucking fire. I'm on my way.
Professor Hamilton sounds worried. I should get there fast.
Yeah, okay.
The force of your breath can extinguish mighty fires.
Yep, switch to fire. Alright. Controls are a little bit wonky. Alright, we gotta get to this one. To activate the map. Oh! That's a cool top-down. Oh, it's a Fortress of Solitude. I totally forgot. Okay. Cool.
Train you.
Beautiful. Alright. Pretty simple dynamics. Pretty simple.
Unbelievable speed.
Super speeds. That's what it was. I knew it was one of the bumpers. I switched to heat vision. Okay.
Use your heat vision to...
Log into a meter. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I got luck on. Ah, shit. No.
Fight heat with cold, Superman.
Oh, I'm out of fucking breath. Oh, shit. Alright, moving up. Oh, back to cold.
Time is of the essence, Superman.
I understand. Oh my god, accuracy's terrible. Alright, yeah.
Get back! We'll never contain it!
Woo, super speed.
A little help down here!
Wow.
Thanks a million, Superman.
You're welcome.
One last meteor.
Oh, shit.
According to my calculations, a super speed attack should break it up.
Ram
You
it.
have to hurry.
I'm gonna fucking ram it! Damn! Okay, so that didn't just create a massive amount of little ones to fucking kill everybody? Okay. Oh, Lex, yep.
For 5 long years, the world has stared into the sky, waiting, hoping, and praying for his return. We have spent our days asking where he went, debated why he left, and wondered if he's even alive. We had become so accustomed to looking into the sky for help that we had forgotten how to save ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
Yet disasters have come and gone since he left us. Mankind has learned how to survive without him, and perhaps we no longer even need Superman. But on the anniversary of his disappearance, one question remains. Where is Superman?
Where is he?
News
He's...
reports that my homeworld Krypton still existed, and I traveled half a universe only to discover I was wrong. It was nothing but a graveyard. I'm all that's left.
Yep. Oh, shit.
The reports were true. He was on a foolish quest to Krypton. Take him to Warworld.
Warworld. Mongol!
Get up, Superman. It's time to die. Mongol has brought the galaxy's greatest warriors to Warworld.
Hell yeah.
Today, I bring you Superman of the late planet Krypton.
I'm not playing your ridiculous games.
Well, that was a good effort. Good try, good try. Oh, I do remember this motherfucker. Woo! I do remember that.
Earth, your strength.
Yeah, where... Oh, yeah, there was multiple of them. I remember that.
You've defeated one, but you can't stop us all.
Sure I can. Get back here. Freeze him. There's the real one. Bro, stop fighting. Oh my god, this is so weird. Let's go, bitch. Ah! Bop, bop. Come on. Oh shit. No, don't fly. Dude, can you get on the ground, please? Whoa! Alright, heat vision, bitch. Whoa! Oh, I forgot I have, like, super fucking run.
Assault.
How you like them apples? Get up, bitch! Get up, bitch! Come on! Corkscrew! Let's get it. Damn, the flying in this is stiff. Everything is stiff. You done?
None of you are a match for me, Platoon.
Okay. Done. Got his ass out of here. Perfect. Let's go.
Is that the best you can do?
Oh no, Superman.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Holy shit. Oh, yeah. I do remember that. Ah, shit. Okay, this is where I need to throw stuff at him. Whoa!
All enemies have a weakness, my son.
Yep, throw stuff. Throw stuff. How do I pick stuff up? Oh, it's fucking A? That's weird. Shit.
When direct attacks fail, let the environment serve as your weapon, Kal-El.
I can see that. Now it tells me to press A. Oh, are we good? Need one more? Or are we good? One more. Take it on the chin, baby! We need one more? Okay, nope. Uppercut! Okay, can't use any of my spray. Oh, can I freeze him? Can I freeze him? Oh, I just froze your ass because you're stupid. Take that shit, bitch. Dunno. Dunno. Wait, what? I just beat you. What the fuck? Did I win? All gladiators defeated. Let's go, Mongol. Try me, bitch. New power up. Up in the sky. It's a plane combo. Launch opponents and quickly slam them back down. Oh, perfect. I was wondering what I could do with that.
Now prepare to battle the ultimate destroyer, Mongol!
What the fuck? Damn, he's got some cheeks. Pause.
I will hammer you down.
Oh, whoa.
I blow.
Let's go, bitch. Let's go, bitch. Come on. Come on. Ooh, you like that? You like that, baby? Let's get it. Keep it up. Keep up that combo. Oh, you see that? You see that quickness? Oh. Fucking hell, stop running in the building. Oh, there he is.
Just admit it. You're defeated.
Come on, bitch. Ooh, you see that flick of the fucking wrist, bitch? Shit.
Superman.
Oh, you gonna fucking gloat like Shao Kahn? What the fuck was that? What the fuck is that? Why is he just walking in place, moonwalking? What are those? Come on, easy as shit. Come on, those did
Why
nothing.
do you insist on fighting a battle you know you'll lose?
Whoa, is there another one? Oh, shit.
In my own arena, Superman.
Oh, get up, Soups. Let's go, bitch. How you feel now? Woo! Bam, bitch. What do you got? Nothing. Oh, fuck. Get up. Get up, Superman. Ah! Put to sleep. Put to sleep. Ogre-looking bitch. What you got?
Go on, Superman. You know you want to.
This fight is over.
Yeah. Big ass. Big back ass. Mongol defeated. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Yes. Burst superpowers. Tap twice to enable burst superpowers.
What is this place?
It's Superman's fortress. It's where he learned who he was, and where he came for guidance.
Wow, they actually got Kevin Spacey? That's funny.
Just what I came for.
My son, you do not remember me. I am Jor-El, your father.
Jor-El.
Embedded in the crystals before you is the total
He thinks I'm his
accumulation
son.
of all literature and scientific fact from the 28 known galaxies. There are questions to be asked.
Tell me everything, Father. Starting with crystals.
It's so funny how nobody realizes Clark is Spider-Man. I mean, Superman, because if you think about it, like, Clark Kent quits his job. He's like, guys, I gotta leave. I'm moving. I won't be coming back. And then Superman just mysteriously leaves. Come on. Put two and two together. Whoa. This actually isn't that bad. See, if this was Man of Steel, I'd be going through buildings.
I think Metallo's controlling those robots. Run! Metallo.
Metallo.
Stand down. Now.
When I heard you were back in town, I got here as soon as I could.
What the fuck? Why does he sound like that? That was the weirdest sound. Shit. I'm not trying to destroy the fucking thing.
You give machines a bad name, Metallo.
Okay, we gotta help. How do I help you? How do I help you? How do I? Oh! He just. I am so sorry, ma'am.
Anger is no reason to become self-
I am not being a good Superman. So many people are getting hurt. How do I help those people? Is there any other enemies? Whoa! Nope, just Metallo. I gotta save these people. How do I save these people? How do I save you, sir? Are you still alive? God damn, more missiles!
Why do you
Where are you going? Metallo has escaped. I have to help everybody. I didn't help anyone! What are you cheering me? Hold on! Sir, how do I help you? Here you go. Here you go. That's one. Whoa! It is. Oh my god, this is why there's no Flash game. Where is the other people? What the fuck? These fucking robots. Oh my god, there's a building. Oh my god, I can't see where the fuck I'm going. Hold up. Jesus Christ. I have you, ma'am. Where is the thingy? Wow, this is why there's no Flash game. This is super disorienting. What the fuck? Why is it all the way over here? Every time you fly and then go out, it's gonna give you a mission. Yep, every time! It only gives you a mission when you do it. I thought I fucking destroyed you guys. Get out of here. got a runner. Where are you going? That's what I thought. You're welcome, citizens. Ah, mwah, mwah, I know. I'm lovely. I love it. What the fuck is this? Mr. Miss Fiddleswick! Okay, I did want to show you guys this. This is the test I'm talking about.
Hey, Blue Boy, you know, this place is a real dump. Bet you wish you were still on Creepton, don't ya?
You?
Creepton!
Here, pal!
What the
One
fuck?
And only Mr. Mixia Spitlick, straight from
Mr.
the
Miss Spitlick.
What mayhem are you up to now, Mrs. Pitalik?
Mayhem. Me? I'm hurt. Speaking of which, while you were checking out the home planet, the old me misplaced some of your goodies.
You mean you stole them?
Oh.
Tomatoes. But you can have them back if you can complete just a few little challenges.
I'm not playing any of your games.
Well, you can always try to trick me into saying my name backwards and sending me back to my home dimension.
All right. Where are these so-called challenges?
Telling you would be too easy.
Yeah.
But if you fly high enough, something tells me you'll find everything you're searching for. So
Really?
have fun. Toodles.
Toodles. Okay.
The one and only Mr. Mixia Spitlick, straight from the 5th dimension.
Oh, shit. Let's go, bitch.
Smell you later, Superman.
Straight. Don't fuck up. Alright, we're turning a corner. Perfect. Turning a corner. Whoa! Oh, I got it. Okay, go. Okay, alright. Oh, thread the fucking needle! Yeah, baby! Easy fucking peasy. Keep up, bitch! Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Thread the fucking needle. Oh my god, I'm so good. I do remember these. I used to suck ass at these. Sonic boom! And bam, 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 bam. I got him by 8 fucking seconds. Woo! 5 seconds. I got him by 5. Sure. I'll smell you later, baby. I'm faster than your ass. That's just the screen shaking. It doesn't change your character's placement. Don't get hit. Don't get hit. Don't hit anything. Don't hit anything. I'm already beating him by 10 seconds, I think. Straight ahead, baby. Straight ahead, baby. Yank that corner. Yank the corner. Straight ahead to the end, baby. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, it was a minute 45. Oh, I thought it was 45 seconds. I was about to be like, there's no fucking way. It's a minute. I didn't even see the first one. Woo! 12 seconds on the clock, dude. You're too slow, Mr. McSfiddle, my stick. What? Hey, whoa! Where? Oh, I do see one. We can do another test. I'm gonna whoop his ass one more time. Come on, boy. Whee! Oh, what the fuck? Oh, is this Bizarro?
Chango.
Me destroy city, because me am hero.
Beat the top score before. Oh, fuck. Bizarro, hope you have a good day by dying. I'm destroying the city. I'm Man of Steel.
To prove Bizarro like you,
Oh my god, I don't have enough. There's no way. I gotta destroy a building or something. Damn it! Damn it! I forgot you get to be Bizarro in this.
Chango.
No, Hold on. I need to do this. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Oh, this is gonna be perfect. Hold on. Alright. Bring it down!
Pizarro must put everything we like.
Okay, here we go. Drop it down. Drop it down.
Only hurt you a lot.
Oh my god, no. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, I was right there. Come on. Maybe I destroyed the statue. Can I destroy the statue?
Change-o.
Me destroy city because me am hero.
No? Okay. Bring the pit! Oh, I'm not doing good this round. God damn. Why is this so difficult? What am I supposed to do? I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. Oh my god, I'm right there! I'm right there! Fuck! Come on, I'm right there! Oh my god, I know I can do it. Where the fuck is Mr. McSpittle my dick and balls at? Come on. Jump up. Alright. Move over. Now slam down. Slam down. Come on, come on. I think I did it. Did I do it? I think I did it. Just keep going. Keep destroying everything. I don't know. I need to keep destroying stuff. Alright. Yep. Everything is on fire. Everything is terrible.
Presto, change-o.
I did it. I know. Everything's on fire. Okay. We can go back to being Superman. Where's the fucking story arc? Where's the story missions? Oh, Fortress of Solitude. Let me go. Oh, okay. So you have the bonus theater, power-up chamber. What is that? Oh. Trophies, costumes. What are the costumes I have? Oh, I don't have anything else. How about win then, bitch? Yeah, blow your ass away. No, no, don't blow that up. Oh my god, don't blow that up. Freeze him, freeze him, freeze him. No, freeze him, freeze him, freeze him. Oh my god, I don't want to fight him in the fucking gas station. Please don't explode. I know, I know. Oh, you don't have to thank me. You don't have to thank me. You're done. Fuck. Okay, that's one. No, no, get up! Clark! What the fuck? You going through the map now, boy? Whoa! Where are you going? How am I I supposed to hit him? How the fuck? If he's through the map, how am I supposed to hit him? Oh my god, fly, Superman! Where is he at? Get him out, get him out, get him out. Okay, he's done. Holy shit. Yes, thank you. Ah, yes. Oh, there's something over yonder. The Daily Planet. All right.
Just as I'm about to achieve my greatest triumph, that Boy Scout in blue tights decides to come back.
Yep.
Then again, as I've always said, to pull off the greatest crime of the century, one would want the greatest challenge of the century. Well, Superman, you're going to wish you'd never returned.
Is that so? Infernal machines. This is kind of just the game, guys. This is the game. I could do another Miss Fiddlestick thing if I see one. I'll do another race. All right. Oh! Oh, that was sick. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, there's more of them. God damn you. Corkscrew. Come on, bitch! Put something up! Nope. Oh my god! Oh my... You and your fucking green piss! You're done. You're done. You're done. Oh my fucking god. Get up, get up, get up. Superman, get up, get up. No, he escaped. I tried. Yep, I'm sorry. I've tried. The city's destroyed. Wait, I've already done this. Wait. I've already...
Smell you later, Superman.
I've already done this. Okay, I guess we could try to beat it again. I don't know. Am I gonna be able to beat it? I don't think I... 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, I beat it! What the fuck? I beat it by 0.7. Oh my god. Wow. Holy shit. Alright. Wow. Alright. I think we can, you know what? Yeah, I think we can pause it there. Alright, guys, so that was Superman Returns. I played it for about, definitely an hour now, maybe more so, hour 20 minutes. It is a longer game, obviously. It goes along with the story. You saw, like, the beginning clips and everything. I wish I could show you more, but I don't have, like, a load file for this. It's been so long, it's not like I can show you the boss fight and all this stuff. But I did show you Metallo. I show you that you can fight giant monsters, like the people in Mongols. So it is a fun game. It's definitely super stiff, super wonky. The dynamics are very, very basic. Like, maybe if they made a Superman game now, they could, like, I don't know, it's just like, because Superman's so overpowered, so it's kind of like, what's the fun in the game? Like, there is no dying in this, it's just like, spam trying, Y, and then you get back up. I don't see any reason for you losing any mission, and if you do, I don't even know if there's a losing screen, because it just tells you to get right back up. That's kind of weird. But yeah, I think, I mean, it's fun. Flying around is fun, going super speed, doing the meteors and everything. It's definitely a fun game. I wish I could show you more. There's pictures that popped up beforehand and everything. I'll edit it just like that. But yeah, other than that, guys, yeah, this was a fun game. It's fun to look at. I have some other DC games to look at. We played a lot of Marvel mainly, but I don't know what the next game is gonna be for G.C.G.D. But that is this week's G.C.G.D. I hope y'all enjoyed, and tune in next time. Make sure you tune in for the streams. I don't know if what they're gonna be. I don't know if they're gonna change. I'm going to be starting my new job soon, so I don't know what that scheduling is going to look like, and, you know, either way, blah, blah, blah. But other than that, we thank you guys for being one of the inmates here at the asylum with me, and I'll see you in the next G.C.G.D. Peace.